Hi friends! Today is Monday, May 18th, and we are going to go over the feedback video for the quiz that you guys took on Thursday. You guys did such an awesome job. I can see here, if you look at my screen, these are the questions for the number stories and the fact families, and these are everybody who did the quiz and did such a good job. Most people got all 5 points. That's huge. You guys are really working hard, and I can tell. The first question, everybody totally rocked it, and same for the next 2 questions. Now I want to talk about a good mistake that a lot of people made about the last question. I'm going to read it first, and I want you to close your eyes and visualize what's going on. Miss McIntyre has 6 flowers. She has 2 more flowers than Ariana. And the question is, how many flowers does Ariana have? As you can see, a lot of you made this good mistake and said Ariana has 8 flowers. Let's look at the question again. Miss McIntyre has 6, and she has 2 more than Ariana. If Miss McIntyre has more flowers than Ariana, is it possible that Ariana would have 8 flowers? Nah, some of you guys got tricked. Remember, Ariana has less. If Miss McIntyre has more, Ariana has to have less. So the correct answer was 4 flowers. You can do that work by going back and looking at Wednesday's video and looking how we compared the 2 numbers and seeing what was the same, what was different, and then seeing how many flowers Ariana has. That word more can kind of trick you. So you've got to really think in your brain about what the question's asking. Have a great week.